Hello students, very good afternoon to all of you. Myself Devesh Singh. Once again you are most welcome here in this video. Today in this class, dear students, we are going to read the new chapter that is a poem. The poem that's name is The People Upstairs. A very nice poem composed by an American poet named Ogden Nash. Ogden Nash is a very interesting and famous poet of America who also wrote free verse type of poem. Okay, now here students, you can understand that the poet Mr. Ogden Nash has described here about the neighbors who live beside you in your house, upstairs of your house, or beside your house. Which type of behavior they shows with you, their behavior is good or bad, everything depends on their nature, and also it creates a feeling of sympathy or love or envy, everything. Here, this poet Mr. Ogden Nash is also extremely disturbed with his neighbors, the neighbors who are living just upstairs of his floor, and they are making a lot of noise, and so his daily routine, his life status, and also his reading section, everything has been affected so much. So he has described all those things in this poem. Now, students, let's see this poem. I have mentioned it on the board. Let's see here. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is a bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted doors. The poet Mr. Ogden Nash says that the people who are living upstairs, they are busy in practice ballet. Ballet is a type of dance where dancers starts practice, and the neighbors are also just doing the same things. They are also busy to do the practice ballet, and so there is a lot of noise on the ground floor where the poet Mr. Ogden Nash is living. Their living room is a bowling alley, and he also says that कि जो उनके नेबर्स हैं उन लोगों ने उस रूम को, जो उनका रूम है, लिविंग रूम है, उसको वो लोग बॉलिंग एली बना चुके हैं, एक बॉलिंग करने वाली पगडंडी बना चुके हैं। ऐसा उन लोग उसको करके क्रिएट किए हैं। दैट इज़ वेरी नॉइजी। देयर बेडरूम इज़ फुल ऑफ कंडक्टेड टूर्स। और जो उनकी बेडरूम्स हैं, जो बेडरूम में काफ़ी इट इज़ नोन एज अ वेरी silent place where people sleep for comfort, but the neighbors has also created it, conducted it tours. They conduct their tours. वहाँ पे वो टूर्स कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं, इतना दौड़ भाग उधम मचा रहे हैं, so they are extremely making noise, and the poet and his family is feeling a lot of disturbance there. Now, the radio is louder than yours, and he also says that they have also increased the volume of their radio, so there is also noise pollution. Their life routine, their high volume radio sounds is also making disturb to the students, to all the members who are living just beside the floor of those neighbors. Everyone is looking disturbed because they have increased their radio volume, and they celebrate weekends all the week. और उन पड़ोसियों के बारे में और बता रहे हैं कि जो पड़ोसी कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं जो काफ़ी बाई नेचर कोऑपरेटिव नहीं होते। वे वीकेंड्स को भी खूब वीक में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और वीकेंड्स को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, उससे क्या हो रहा है, काफ़ी कूद फान हो रहा है और उससे काफ़ी नॉइज मेंटेन हो रहा है। दैट इज़ आल्सो वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग फॉर द पोएट एंड हिज फैमिली मेंबर। Now let's, when they take a shower your ceiling leak and पड़ोसियों से और कितनी अधिक प्रॉब्लम है, पूरी प्रॉब्लम उन्होंने इस पोएम में यहाँ पे मेंशन किया है कि पड़ोसियों से किस प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम्स लोगों को होती है। यहाँ पे उन्होंने पड़ोसियों से होने वाले एक और प्रॉब्लम को यहाँ पे शो किया है कि वे क्या करते हैं, वे इतने अपने शावर को इतनी अधिक मात्रा में यूज करते हैं कि बाई यूजिंग the shower on a large scale, on a regular scale, definitely they make leak to our ceiling. Here he says that they take a shower your ceiling leak और continue shower use करते करते भी हमारे सीलिंग को भी लीक कर देते हैं। So this is also a problem, a disturbance for the narrator who is poet Mr. Ogden Nash. Now you see they tries to get their parties to mix और फिर वे tries to get their parties to mix लोगों को बुलाकर मिक्स होकर के काफ़ी ग्रुप बना करके वे पार्टी भी करते हैं। उस फ्लोर पे अपने अगल बगल के फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव सबको बुलाकर उन पे पार्टियाँ करते हैं, काफ़ी उससे नॉइज़ क्रिएट करते हैं, ऊपर नीचे की भागा दौड़ी से काफ़ी आवाज़ वहाँ पे साउंड्स क्रिएट होती है। And by supporting their guests with pogo sticks क्या होता है? Pogo stick is a type of game. It is when the user hop with the supports of the ropes. Okay, so he says कि सिर्फ वो भी यहाँ पे पार्टीज ही नहीं करते, उससे नहीं थकते, बल्कि वो अपने गेस्ट को पार्टीज में भी सप्लाई करते हैं। फिर उसके बाद उनको पोगो स्टिक भी सप्लाई करते हैं, उनको दे करके अपने भी कूदते हैं, जंप करते हैं, हॉपिंग करते हैं, फिर उनसे भी करवाते हैं और काफ़ी वो इंजॉय करते हैं, जिससे कि अगल बगल के सारे लोग जो है नीचे रहने वाले जो लोग हैं काफ़ी डिस्टर्बेंस फील करते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट है and when their fun at last abates means होता है become less, abates means become less, कम हो जाना, और जो उनका फन, उनका काफ़ी मजाक, इंजॉयमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट जो करते हैं, और जब धीरे धीरे लेस एक्साइटिंग हो जाता है, जब थोड़ा सा अपना हरसमेंट फील करते हैं, दिस फाइनली व्हेन दे बिकम लेस एक्साइटेड, व्हेन देयर funds look at limited at that time, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. Then finally they start a new game, and in this new game what they do, they enters in the bathroom and they start skating. Skating is type of game where the players stands of the rollers, and by supporting the rollers he starts to roll here and there. So here he also says that just after doing it, when they realizes that their game is looking less excited, all the games that is mentioned above, finally they starts to skating on the roller in the bathroom areas. Okay. Now the last two lines of this poem you see here. I might love the people upstairs more. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. This is the last line of this poem, students, and in the last line of this poem, the poet Mr. Ogden Nash says that he loves them, he liked them too much, he liked them more than it. उनको और भी प्यार करते हैं, और भी उनको पसंद करते हैं। कब? इफ ओनली दे लिव ऑन अनदर फ्लोर, अगर वो इस फ्लोर पे न किसी और फ्लोर पर रहते हैं, अगर किसी और फ्लोर पर रहते हैं, वो इतना अधिक अगर मुझे डिस्टर्बिंग नहीं करते हैं, तो ही सेज दैट ही लाइक देम मोर, वो उनको और भी प्रेम करते हैं, उनको और भी वो पसंद करते हैं। एंड देयर अटैचमेंट आल्सो increased much, and there will be good attachment, there will be a good sense of love increased between them. But he says, oof, I can't express my love so much to them as they have made a lot of disturbance for he and his family member as to perform such type of noisy games. Okay, so finally, students, this is the poem "The People Upstairs," and in this poem, this American poet Mr. Ogden Nash has described finally about the neighbors, about those neighbors who have made disturbing to his life. I hope this poem is clear to all of you, and if it is clear to you, definitely my work, my presentation is successful. Okay, students, now goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.